Hey guys, welcome again in my new video. As you saw in thumbnails, today's video is fully dedicated to unlock your Samsung smartphone's PIN pattern and password lock. And if you are watching this video, then I am 100% sure that your mobile password is locked due to your forgotten PIN pattern and password lock. So don't worry at all. Watch this video properly till the end and your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. So further in this video I will also tell you that how can you reset your mobile password without any computer, without any data loss in just only 2 to 3 minutes, so that you have to watch this video properly till the end. But before reveal this method, there are some important things that you have to take care of it. The first thing is that you have to should your battery charge minimum 30%, like that. You can see that there this mobile's battery is sufficient charge. So if your mobile battery if not sufficient charge, then whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should full battery charge your phone at least 30 to 50%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of use this unlocking method to unlock your smartphone. So one of the most important thing that I would like to tell you that this method is updated every month. So if your smartphone will not unlocked with the help of this video, then take help of my older videos and my upcoming videos, and for this you must subscribe our channel after comments. And if your smartphone will be unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lots of encouragement to make the next amazing videos to help you further. So first of all, whenever your Samsung smartphone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cold mind. Watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to unlock your Samsung smartphone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your locked smartphone. So now you have to use the offline mode firstly in your locked smartphone. And in this offline mode, first of all you have to click on the emergency call option here, and this is the emergency call option here. After that you have to enter a offline mode code, and this code is *#, and this is the code, and you have to enter these codes to your smartphone. This is *5724361297 and #, and you have to call this code for once. When you start the calling, the number has been disappeared from your mobile screen, so don't worry at all. Click on the back button here, and after that you have to try to activate your flight mode on your smartphone. This is the flight mode option here. You have to try to activate this, and after that you have to enter any random password here. Okay, you can see that this password is wronged, so don't worry at all. After that you have to try to be switched off this phone. So I am going to power off this phone. So press the volume and power button here, power button and volume down button here, and wait for few seconds here until your mobile screen will be blank. And after that you have to release the power button here, but press volume down button here. After that you can see that your mobile is completely gone to booting mode, like that. Okay, and your smartphone is resetting. So wait until your mobile is restart. You can see that this is a time taken process but very tricky method. And in this way you can unlock any Samsung smartphone, and for this please like this video. So this gives a lots of encouragement to make the next amazing video for you to help you further. And this is booting your smartphone. So wait. This is a very important portion of this video. So watch this video properly till the end, because this is a very necessary. After that, you can see that your mobile is restarted. So after that, you have to click on the emergency call option here, and after that you have to enter a code here, which is a star hash 812 star 555 and hash. You have to call this code for once. You can see that again this code has been disappeared from your this mobile screen. So don't worry at all. Click the back button here and swipe to unlock and enter any random password here, and you can see that this is a wrong pattern password. After that, click the emergency call option here, okay, and wait for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 and 5. After that, click the home button here, and you have to enter a default Samsung password here, which is 8523, okay, and release your finger from this phone. This is the 8523. This is the default password, and release. After that, you can see that, my friends, your Samsung smartphone is completely unlocked without any data loss. Okay, means your smartphone is unlocked and there is no any type of photos, videos and data loss of your Samsung smartphone. And in this way, you can unlock any Samsung smartphones like mid-range smartphones, flagship Samsung smartphone, low budget Samsung smartphone. And if your Samsung smartphone is still not unlocked from this method, in that case you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 5 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your mobile screen password like a pin, pattern, password lock, fingerprint sensor and face lock. Okay, so please comment us, okay, and subscribe our YouTube channel, plus like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.